Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so anapa we me breaking news etremo say soldier ni bi akobo abrantie bi tuo ewo Ashaiman ekune yayaya na me report wie ye no the video is very gory which video na very very gory na because of YouTube policies intimi to me impost video no ewo ha say na me mamoti ase say the stance the military actually took on this particular matter no for me I don't trust them. Because in some wa mo baka ne say wo mo military no wo mo hu say abrantie no ye che no ne ye che no say wo kita narcotic drug ebia na ewi anase ye nim say cocaine no say wi o say den ba ye che no say wo kita narcotic drug na police ne ye say wa arrest abrantie na abrantie no ye say wo ni police ni ekon na abrantie ni mo ye say sorry soldier ni no Abrante yes say woni soldier ni no ekon and Abrante ne yes say soldier ni no wo gi soldier ni tio and tio no mistakenly eto ye na ebo Abrante no. That was what military PRO e de beto abonten owie na ka still wo mo be investigation. What I said on that and say you see we be say trend say be investigation but some a wo dey to ja proud to the investigation ne kra tre say you guys have taken a stand. You guys have actually taken your own point. I'm a person yet here say Abrante and kind of no other fault. And now we free yeah. But the report I am hearing from or I'm getting from those in Asham and Hokrano, said that be the military are lying. And if the military are lying on this, and this will not be the first time. Because you have videos be pray of soldier for elbow Ghana for now so military penny babonte metre say sa videos ni na no entro enye nekre ati ase ama Ashaiman MP baby ade ne esi wo no MP na wo ho no wa babonte ne nsema betudwa a wo tre na sema wo kan ni na ne tre say nsema military for ne kan entro into one no boy MP no one so at the side of the story about we release statement. The person me releasing me reading the statement na etremo. Na me read tremo wi a adwentre bia no na ye de account ana be bia e wo say ye tretre ni nsemu no na ya trem. Any o say killing of Mr. Eric Ofochu, Ashaiman MP demands justice. O say I have received with shock and outrage news of the cold-blooded killing of Mr. Eric Ofochu aka Noyawa, a constituent of mine in his mid-30s who was allegedly shot by a military officer working to ensure compliance of the president's COVID-19 lockdown directives. Now, to say the first one was say sa lockdown when sensemi and no hunti empini na kasao say lockdown when sensemi hunti and the man soldier ni wakobo Abrante ni tio. Or say, as member of parliament for the Ashaiman constituency, I condemn in the strongest possible terms this barbaric and wicked act of a trigger-happy military officer. Muti assembly was say as or no, but young member of parliament, Emma Ashaiman no, this wicked act, a wicked act of a trigger-happy military officer. Obibe bisa say, yaka say. Trigger happy, what is the meaning? Now, me person me reading the dictionary's meaning of trigger happy. Etremo. Now, what you say? Trigger happy, or say ready to react violently, especially by shooting on the slightest provocation. That's the meaning of trigger happy. It's a Ashaiman MP ne epese train say military officer ni yobia odi ebufuso e na wono ankasa tutuo no bo Abrante ni kuno. Inti trese the military mpanyifo ne pese Ghana for tiase say Abrante ni mo na no pese woje soldier ni tio e na tio no accidentally e call off no Ashaiman MP ne trese eyantro na military officer ni obi a wono ankasa e na wode abufuo e twi tio no e na woto bo Abrante no, because that is what trigger happy means, just like I've read from the dictionary for you guys. Was the information gathered from the scene, which I have no basis to doubt, and contrary to the claims contained in the military statement, suggests that The deceased did not warrant this inhumane and disproportionate inhumane and disproportionate use of force from a professional military officer whose training demands a far worthy example. What's the one? No, dear wehu. Send me the country and say videos I mean so mehu. MP need to say dear wehu, dear what say. And now going on the grounds in some ways, you know, ohun they say such statements are military for no edeba bonten no. Abranti ayaboniti no, he didn't deserve to be shot. Especially from Obia. He's supposed to be a professional. Because we are so genuinely etio asha the trust. So what by a professional? You be professional in your dealings. And that's how we go to etio ne basa. And no one thing me etio no ayeden asha wonsa aso genuino. I say, as much as the life of this young innocent gentleman cannot be brought back, I demand with immediate effect thorough and independent investigations into circumstances leading to the death of this young man. We are also calling for the withdrawal of the trigger-happy soldier and all his colleagues on duty as at the time of the incident with immediate effect. This would be useful in managing tensions and preventing any further escalation. Now, the video I saw no asem we see no ahyan afo no nso bufuye ema ebimo fambo ema no mo totumbo na abo sojafo no because e wo mu anim na wo mu hu se soja ni abo wo mu nipa tio ekuno. So they were also retaliating. Their MP no eka and say ende ukwa ahyan man ebufuo e wo mu mu Ubehu say ebia anam asem we sunti na innocent military personnel and police personnel binti and asem we hunti o ubehu say soldier ni bia won ni masem ni ho hwe and police ni bia won ni masem ni ho hwe na ubehu say a shaman youth akwa chini pakono so aboneku no just for retaliation. And these things happen. It happens a lot. It happens a lot. Obi awako KNUST biada a wada ida konti ana katanga no eni masem we aye me kasa afa hu. Embra na me wo university. Katanga santa na me wo konti katanga boy bi nanka chese wo na wo kre wie ye tu neni and na me no ka say abrant and still neni ba kon asay because of things like this. Konti fo eti say katanga fo bi akwachi konti fo bi abo mo enu hunti konti fo nso chi katanga ni bia woni masem ni hu bibia no mo so ache na abo no ubo say katanga fo nso ekwachi konti ni bia woni masem ni hu bia no mo ache na ebedane a big fight on KNUST campus. So de kobisa KNUST kobisa fight kesia esi ye no and things like this happen. Ubo say soje ni bia woni masem ni hu no woni hwe efa asem no na ye de ebufuo akwachi na aboneku no kwa. The MP no all can and say sa soje ni no one yen yinedi wonno ene ne namfofuo ni na yen yi omu ni edi because omo tena ho ehweye say soje ni ne atwitio into the MP no all can wonno can the side of the story rebutting statements and military for no ediaba. Ono de what can say the soldier is a trigger happy military officer. Just a soldier nankasa and na wodi ebufuo atwi etio no ebo abrante ni kuno. That is what the MP is saying. And yamen American, that is what the MP is saying. It is Isiano. It is the MP's words against that of the military. Now, me personally, I don't trust the military because we've all seen videos, military for elbow in Crawford. Now, so military for na babonte be trying to say, "Sa videos in here fake." Ewo mi amenim me hu video, ana ewo mi amenim me hu say military ni elbow obi. Na ye video na akwa abonten na military penyi eba be try and say, "Sa video no e fake." Do you want me to trust the military? Because me ameni so me hu Joy FM Wo mo ko interview ma me abrewa bi a we di over 60 a wo ton ade yesi wo bi a wo ton ade still ko ton ade. She was assaulted. Nini nechi military form pennyfo ba abonten be tren say eye ntro sa videos ni na ye fake. Obi apre wa ya bo no o se ye fake. Mekai Asempa FM obi wo bi say military penny say videos aye hui military officers si e she no smart. Wo mo catchy. Ghana so dey ye say military officers this time because of corona no interna wo mo she no smart. It o ba abonten be tren say these videos are fake. Not just say oh no, you are not being truthful to Ghanaians. Still, what must say oh fake. So if I've seen something like this, do you want me to trust the military? I will not. Because clearly no, in somewhere here they try any aye no, what must say anya crack? What must say anya crack? Why do you want me to trust them? Into yanda and na masem way so ye kan mo ene mo de na nya ne kra amande soja ni bi akwakobo wo bitu a de mo de ba ne se nipa ko no na wo ye se wo gi etio na fi soja ni nsem ene etio no eto ye ene ku no ye nkola ye nkola se nipa ko no na kwoko gi etio na fi soja ni nsem ye are we kids? So it is not me against the military. Nyan kwaka say melodies there wo pa asemo, it is not me. Mo po bi ni na akonya asemo a military for no se mu tie na mo po bi ni na akonya asemo a MP no e no de na asemo abebo abonten. O de abeto abonten. I just read it to you guys. The MP is saying that the military officer is a trigger happy military officer. And I've read the meaning of trigger happy. Brofo. Trigger happy say wo bia odi ebufuo so a wono ankasa ntwe etuo ato. Nti MP ne train say military no officer no wono ankasa de ebufuo so na wotwe etuo no etobo abrantie no. Nti statement amodi aba no wono wope independent investigation because on look he doesn't trust you the military people. Say someone ankasa na mokoye san investigation na mo de baba abonti abetre say ne kre because even without investigation look at the story the military is going with. Look at the story the military is going with. Even without investigation. Oh. So some of us, you are even telling us, say, oh, my investigation, this is the story you bring out. We kept saying this. Say, they send your military for no, a treaty Ghanaians no, Yanshiya, Yebeku Obio, Yanshiya, Yebeku Obio. They must buy a better train and say, oh, all those videos are lies, and you're the clear. And then the end will be a branch here early 30s. Who? And what I am hearing for people, from people who know this guy, trying to say, a branch and the cry will be a Nehuasri. It's the area no Munkoano in Kofu Bebre Penasem because he's very jovial. That's what people are telling me. That's what people are telling me. Obi a branch here. Now no sabi. You see, some of the things obi wo hwa won. Obi wo hwa ebia wo no wo bo ne brow. Obi say na bibi di ne nya de wo beye bia enkoso. You see, it is because of things like this oh. Ne busu ni bia kwa koye ade bi ma cases ni di nechi. Wo kwa kokun obi ba. We ye bold dia enkan. Mon try mo adwen why. Na say we me ya. Me ya mon try mo adwen me da say.